If we could kind of shred down the valley, which was pretty dope, and then abseil off the waterfall. Morning everyone. So just a quick one before I head off. It's 6:20 and I'm just in Hintertux, and I thought I'd kind of get in before it gets too hot, and yeah, just kind of get up there and explore really. I'll give you a bit more of a rundown on it once I kind of get a bit moving. But just wanted you to catch the sunrise. So I'd have a quick break just to give you a heads up on one of the sweet spots. So yeah, we've got kind of tucked up there and stuff, and you can see the snow cannons, the piste going down there, which is sweet. But yeah, we've got this wicked little fun zone here, which is awesome. Just as a little home run joy thing really. There's like a lovely plateau at the top, and it filters through, and then you just kind of like charge through these trees, and then you hook up on this road and exit, and the piste is just behind me, so it's pretty rad. Now the overall plan is to go and scope out, I don't know if you can just see that waterfall over there, and I'll tell you a bit more about it when I get there. Oh yeah, so welcome to the main objective today, which is that waterfall. So basically we had a Splitboard mission up the top of Hintertux like years ago, and we shredded down this lovely valley, and we were like, oh yeah, this is really sick, it's going to be awesome. And then we kind of came to a stop, and the guy was like, oh, we just got to split back out, and we were like, what? Like, this is a nightmare. We just kind of had some nice turns and everything, and then we literally just cruised to a standstill on this flat, and then it just seemed kind of pointless just to hike straight back on our tracks. And he explained obviously there was no route out, so, and that's the reason why. So it got me thinking recently, what about if we could kind of shred down the valley, which was pretty dope, and then abseil off the waterfall, and then because we've got the home run just down here, you can literally just shred basically straight out to Hintertux. So that's part of the plan today, is just to have a look at this waterfall, measure the height, see if it's even possible. It looks like there's a bit of a hiking path up and around, so I'm just going to scope it out really and just see if there is a possibility. This is more of a personal mission. I'm not going to be taking clients down here because this would be absolutely ridiculous, but you just never know. It could be a possibility, could be quite entertaining. So yeah, I'll scope it out for you and let you know if there's a distinct possibility of abseiling off this waterfall in the winter. So it does look pretty sick. I've come around the other side just to see the angle. But also, just check out this space here. Could be a potential a little bit shallower and away if it's too steep a roll in into the waterfall. Well everyone, you might be wishful thinking with this abseil off the waterfall that the access is pretty tricky. So you can see down here, it's just all pretty steep all the way in and steep on the other bank as well. So there's no easy access to the top of the waterfall really. And then the walking path, as you would have seen in the footage, is pretty sketchy. There's a lot of overhanging rocks, probably going to get filled with snow and pretty prone to avalanche, I reckon, from above quite easily. So don't know, unless there's something coming up here. I think this might be yeah, one to tick off as a non-possibility, which I think this is part of the summer stuff, isn't it? You know, it's scoping out this thing to see what you can do and what you can't do. Right, catch you later. You should check out how cool this valley is, everyone. It's pretty bordering on majestic. Just on my own. It's pretty wild. So hopefully you can hear me, even though it's a bit windy. So I've just had a nice bit of strudel and a coffee, and we're on for the last section now.